Welcome back to channel. My is doing absolutely fine. So it is finally we have the second last episode of the season. I still of the series. I still can't believe I am. And before I start with the actual breakdown of the entire show, I just think that they are kind of trying to wrap the story up because final story के हिसाब से तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा. It is kind of the thing that I'm feeling that they are just trying to wrap the entire story up because they have kind of not got the extension probably based on the story of the books, because I'm really interested to read all the books as well first, because मुझे तो clearly ऐसे लग रहा है कि they are just trying to wrap up the story. So season like the second last episode का in short review देने के लिए before I start with the actual breakdown, this इस एपिसोड में कुछ ऐसी चीजें होगी जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट डेफिनेटली नहीं की होगी, कंसिडरिंग मार्शियंस, कंसिडरिंग बेल्टर्स एंड कंसिडरिंग द अर्थर्स. And in this episode, there would be something which would give you a different insight based on what exactly the ring is, and it will give some more information about the ring. And all in all, now the basic and the original politics game is kind of has begun from here onwards, we can say. And जो initial politics थे वो तो obviously पहले ही खत्म हो चुके थे जब भी Mars was kind of destroyed, and उसके बाद now the main politics game is kind of going to start. But at the same time, I'm feeling that it is the second last episode of the season, and would there be other seasons or would there be not, or how it is going to end. And जब भी हमें actually लग रहा है कि अभी असली स्टोरी चालू हो गई है, they are kind of going to just end the show in the next episode, which I still can't believe it. So let's start with the breakdown. Alright, so previously हमने Expanse में ये देखा था कि we have these creatures which are on altogether in different planet, and she is kind of trying to help them and try to understand them, but she is not able to. And this alien kind of helps her, and we get to know he has kind of healing powers and he can heal people. So at the end of that episode, we had got to know that her brother was kind of ill, and she takes him all the way towards that alien, and we will get to see from here onwards now. In the last episode, we also saw that there was a huge massacre which had happened. The entire series station was a part of the series station was kind of destroyed because of bombing, and the amazing fight sequence between Holden and Marcos. But at the end, the way Marcos was going to end, Holden just disarms that missile, which was super surprising, and not surprising technically. He was vouching for Naomi's son, and further we get to see one of the crew member of the Free Navy getting his arm cut. That was super gross, and Camilla directly gives out a war against Mako. And now we have seen his son acting exactly like him. So still his scenario and उसका इस पूरे situation को deal करने का तरीका is kind of really different, because he is trying to go against his father. But at the same time, उसका जो behavior है, that does not technically say that. When जब भी Camilla ने वो entire message spread किया था, he was clearly not happy with it. But so I'm not sure how his character would turn up at the very end. And this is one of his friend whose brother is kind of still in the doubt that whether that was his same brother who was kind of killed or not. But he definitely has a brother who is kind of still not well. And then we further get to see that they are still searching for her. That once like वहाँ पे वो पहुँचने के बाद she kind of just goes there and searches for where that creature is, whether he would be able to heal that guy or not. And at the same time, obviously उसके parents are also worried. And now in this new episode, we get to see that they are worrying, they are trying to find her, and they finally find her. They do not find her. She finds his brother just staying over there, sitting like that. But that is very different with it. He is not exactly like him. अगर आप उसकी आंखें वगैरह देखोगे तो clearly he is a different person altogether now. And उसके बाद we just get to see that they just kind of meet, and she is very happy that at least he is back to life. But ये सारी चीजें इतने end में आके हो रही है, like at the end of the series आके हो रही है. I'm really surprised about that. And now we begin with the new episode, जहाँ पे रिंग के ऊपर हमें बहुत सारी घटनाएं दिख रही है, like there are a lot of people who are trying to go through the ring, but at the same time जो लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने देखा था कि there was a huge explosion and रिंग के ऊपर जो फ्री नेवी ने भी डायरेक्टली वॉर, फ्री नेवी जो है उन्होंने डायरेक्टली वॉर कर दिया है अगेंस्ट मार्कोस. सो अवसरला का जो प्लान था मेन, डायरेक्टली गो टुवर्ड्स द रिंग, वहाँ पे जाके उन्हें समझता है कि देयर वाज अ ह्यूज ब्लास्ट व्हिच हैज हैपेंड, बिकॉज ऑफ व्हिच इवन द इनर्स एंड द अदर्स के जो शिप्स है वो काइंड ऑफ आर डिस्ट्रॉयड, एंड वी हैव हर ओन टीम मेंबर इनसाइड दैट ओवरऑल मिशन जो वो लोग को असाइन किया गया था. एंड तभी वहाँ पे जाके उन्हें समझता है कि बहुत सारे जो शिप्स है उसके अंदर ऑलरेडी, एंड दिस स्पेसिफिक थिंग इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ बॉम्ब सेटअप which has kind of made exactly before the ring, and this definitely is the work of Marcos, which is kind of predicted later. And they kind of just start bombing towards, अगर आप देखोगे the right side, like this is the ring, these are all these specific spaceships of their own of their own keep, and वो जो specific जो circle और that entire sphere जो था वहाँ से super different angles में bombing start होती है. And how they have got there, and they are clearly the MCRN ship, they are the Martian ship. So उस particular sphere पे शायद से मार्को ने like मार्को स्पेसिफिकली ने वहाँ पे बहुत सारे MCRN फायरिंग शिप्स रखे हैं, ताकि जो भी ताकि वो कंट्रोल कर पाए कौन शिप से पास होगा और कौन नहीं. So he can directly fire on them. So that was super weird, because they just lost their entire like फ्री नेवी के बहुत सारे शिप्स, एज वेल एज बहुत सारे अलग जो इनर्स भी वहाँ पे जाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उनके भी सारे शिप्स को ये कर दिया जाता है. एंड देन दे जस्ट काइंड ऑफ सेलिब्रेट दैट वाज द थिंग दैट दे वर एबल टू डू इट. बट एट द सेम टाइम जब भी she has to explain Arshila like what exactly has happened. She is really, and तभी exactly उन्हें पता चलता है कि that was the firing machine which was there on that specific sphere. So she is now really worried about what from here onwards what they should do, whether they should do or what exactly their next step should be, because the belters and the inners are the only people left now. So her one thing is to clearly do so उनका एक प्लान रहता है कि they should do like जो उनके उसके बाकी advisors जो रहते हैं, like for example these people, they directly tell her that we should take all our forces and march towards that Mako, or as well as that specific space, that they could entirely destroy that. But then she just asks Bobby that what is she going really soft, or what is exactly happening. So she just kind of screams at her that you are getting a lot of soft, and you should go and go in there and battle for yourself, or at least battle for someone. And there she kind of pulls up her socks, and then we are back at the Rocinante, where we just get to see a conversation between them, that they are kind of trying to build an armor, like a kind of armor around Rocinante to give it even more strength. And on top of that, Naomi is still kind of trying to figure out what things are, because उसका जो research था उसके ऊपर से उसने directly derive किया था कि there are a lot of different kind of weird things happening around the ring, or whenever a ship passes through that ring, something weird happens. And because of that weird thing happening, the entire world is at stake, because वो कभी भी blast हो सकती है. उसके आगे जाके जो उसका एनालिसिस रहता है वो उसे बाकी शिप्स को भी बेचती है, तभी उन्हें वो गुड न्यूज़ मिल जाती है कि नाउ दे हैव काइंड ऑफ एलाइज दैट लाइक जो ड्रमर ने लाइक हेल्प इज ऑन द वे, एज एन शी उसने जो बाकी फ्री शिप्स थी जहाँ पे बहुत सारा लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल फूड या फिर बहुत सारा बाकी रिसोर्सेज था, दे शी काइंड ऑफ सेंड all those debris towards the inners, so that they could get that specific help. And then we just get to see that जो inners के जो मेन हेड रहते हैं वो लाइक कैमिला से डायरेक्टली बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट द फुटेज डायरेक्टली ब्रेक्स थ्रू. एंड यूएन का जो मेन लाइक because she is the head of the UN, we directly get to see a first conversation between Camilla and Ursula, which was super new and surprising at the same time. But जैसे हम आगे जाते हैं, she just tries to tell her that we should really meet in person and we could do something different, because it is after all us against him. So we have to be together in this coming war. But it is slightly not sure whether they would be happening or not. And जैसे आगे हम आगे जाते हैं कि फ्री नेवी की जो बाकी की ships है, he is back at his own desk, and as I said, like he has kind of made a captive, because he tried calling his brother because he was so concerned. So he just breaks the rule and tries to do like tries to radio signal his message to Series, whether his brother is still there or what has happened to him, and because of that he's kind of in prison. And at the same time we get to see even on the Free Navy uska jo hand hai, so this is very creepy. At the same time they are trying to regrow his hand, and that is regrowing in that same way, the way the arms are and the fingers are from that arm which was kind of they had to cut that arm. It is kind of regrowing. So this is a kind of obviously a very futuristic technology that they have kind of shown over here. But he kind of tells him that even if they try to regrow that, it is not possible. And then हमें पता चलता है कि Naomi is trying to call Camilla, but she just disconnects that. And but later on she gets her message that she just wants to meet her in person and talks about the things which had happened earlier. And cut through to the point where Shalais is trying to discuss what things they could do from here onwards, because he's trying to meet Holden and tell her a plan that uska jo entire plan है to try to go and make her own allies directly with Camilla. She is not very much clear about that, but at the same time Holden उसे वो बता देता है कि every time a ship is going to pass through that ring, it is definitely not safe. So they just kind of make a pact that they would be heading off, and they should make allies, more allies, and तभी वो उसे उस allies के पीछे वो main reason वो बता देती है कि that this was that specific MCRN जो shooter था वो specific spear के ऊपर, उसके वजह से सारी because of that all the ships were getting like blasted, and that entire thing is in Marco's hand. So they should definitely team up together, and they should make more allies, because she knows that Holden has met Camilla in the past, and she could really be a good ally. So and then we cut to the scene at the series station where he is obviously drunk, and Amos and like Bobby are together, and Amos is kind of in double thoughts because he's not really sure about because what happened in the previous episode. Like he's just kind of having second thoughts that whether Amos should trust James Holden or not, because he kind of disarmed the entire mission by just disarming that missile. So he's just not sure whether he should return back to the team or he should just stay back. But Bobby kind of just gives him a pep talk, and they just and she just convinces him that he could just return back, and they could again fight together. And later on, when we go ahead with respect to the overall storyline, we also get to see that even Bobby is kind of having second thought whether she should really she should really join with Amos or what exactly they should do. So probably there could be a thing which I could hope to see bit happening between them. And again, then cut to the point, we are back at the same like the Free Naval ship, and the main crew of Camilla, where she just kind of tells her that she would not be joining back. She will be just staying with her, and we just that is a kind of a slightly saddish moment, because her crew members have left her because they are like not fit or not that brave enough to travel. And then we got to the point where Marcos is still having his own plans of how he could defeat, and we clearly see something happening between them, probably in future, or if there are any future seasons, please there should be any future seasons, right? A story could not end in a way like this. And then she just tries to tell him that when Camilla had kind of sent her message, जो मार्कोस की मेन रिएक्शन थी वो उसे वो बता देती है. So she says that he gets that from Marco, and he has that in his blood. And उसके आगे हमें देखने मिलता है कि he just tries to do some fortification with respect to that specific drive. And वो उसे just lie बता देता है कि उसका जो brother था he is kind of dead on series, but वो उसे truth बताते नहीं कि उसने खुद ने उसे मारा है, या probably he is the person who has kind of killed him. And तभी we get to see again back on CG where all the screening is kind of happening. We get to see Drummer, but Drummer has kind of given a free access because now she is kind of in the leaderish, or the kind of the that position where where everybody is kind of very much thankful to her. So she gets a kind of a clear pass. and directly we get to see her meeting finally Naomi. So this reunion I was waiting for a long time because they were together for such a long time, and there were so many things happened at that time when they were when they were like flying together. But now, like clearly Naomi was only sent because of Holden and Avsarla, because they discussed that she in order to make a truce between Earth and drummer, like Earth and Camilla. Like obviously she will not agree to any of the inners, because even James is a earther. He is from Earth. She will not directly listen to him, but she sends Naomi first to clear the kind of the path, and she just tells her that these are the things that are happening, she should really join them. And she tells the main reason that she is agreeing to join with the authors is not because Rosanate is just a free ship, or because of the things which could lead future. Does not clearly tell her what exactly are the things that are happening at the ring, but she kind of tells her that all the things are in the past, all the battles, every people that they have lost are in the past, and they should just look out to the future. And that was super emotional moment. And then we finally get to see Avsarla's steps on series. Who would have thought this in the first season, right? She despised them so much. इतना बड़ा भला बुरा का उन लोग के बारे में, and now here she is on in space. Firstly, I love her character, the way Ashad Algu is playing that. I really love the way her sarcasm is, her entire way of speaking, उसके जो सारे like the way her role has been portrayed by Ashad Algu. It is super amazing. I just love her character. And also talking about the entire production, keeping in mind, just I'm going a little bit away from the topic, but because it is really amazing that Earth is just one planet, and I'm feeling so much good because she is kind of playing the Indian character and wearing all her Indian outfits in a kind of a futuristic way, although they are very different from every episode. And now, coming back to the point, she just directly goes and meets a drummer, which we would have never ever imagined in season 2 or season probably 3 as well. They despised each other so much, and here they are standing in front of each other, and finally making allies of each other, because finally they need each other. And that is the end of the episode. Alright, so that is it for the episode and the story breakdown of episode number 5 of season 6, which technically is said to be the second last episode. But मुझे अभी भी लग रहा है कि there should be more and more episodes. And do let me know what your overall thoughts are about the overall episode. And are you surprised, or are you still disappointed that the season is ending? Do let me know in the comment section as well. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll be meeting you in the next video.